Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the class not registered error when trying to open a picture or image on Windows 11. This is a common issue, but don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. So let's get started. First, let's open the settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen and then selecting Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, find and click on Apps. This will take us to where we can manage all our installed applications. Now click on Installed Apps. In the search bar at the top, type Photo. This will help us locate the Photos app quickly. Once you see the Photos app in the list, click on the three dots next to it. This will bring up more options. From the menu that appears, select Advanced Options. This will open a new window with more settings for the Photos app. Now, scroll down until you see the Reset section. This is where we'll be able to repair or reset the app. First, let's try clicking Repair. This process won't affect your app's data, so it's a good first step. Click on Repair and wait for it to complete. If repairing didn't fix the issue, the next step is to reset the app. Click on Reset and confirm if prompted. This will reinstall the app and reset its settings, but don't worry, your personal files will remain intact. Wait for this process to complete. Great! Now that we've repaired and reset the app, let's try opening the image file again and see if the error is fixed. And there you go! The image opened without any issues. If you followed these steps, you should have fixed the class not registered error. Congrats! Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.